Imagine this. You are standing at a busy street corner in London or New York. You see a big red bus approaching. You need to get home, but you aren't sure if it's the right one. Do you feel nervous? Do you stay silent and walk away? Not today. Today, we are going to practice exactly what to say so you can jump on that bus with total confidence. This is your daily English practice, and by the end of this 10-minute session, you'll be ready to travel anywhere. Let's start our English shadowing practice right now.
Learn, Speak, English, the podcast.
Hello there. I'm Thomas, and you are listening to the Learn, Speak English podcast. I am so happy you are here today. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This is a safe space to make mistakes. This channel is built for you, the person who wants to speak English fluently but needs a place to start. Shadowing is simple. I speak, and you speak immediately after me. Try to copy my voice, my speed, and my emotion. Don't just listen with your ears. Speak with your mouth. Move your lips. Even if you are on a train, or cooking dinner, or walking in the park, whisper if you have to, but speak. Are you ready? Let's get moving. We will start with very short, simple sentences about the bus stop. I will say it once, then I will leave a space for you to repeat it. I am at the bus stop. Where is the bus? The bus is late. I see the bus now. Does this bus go downtown? I need a ticket, please. How much is the fare? One ticket to the city center. Is this seat free? I want to sit down. Please tell me my stop. Thank you, driver. Great job. You're already doing it. You're building that muscle memory. Before we move to the next part, I have a quick question for you. Tell me in the comments, where are you practicing today? Are you in your bedroom, in a park in Brazil, or at a real bus stop in Japan? Write it down. I love seeing where our global community lives. Now, let's make the sentences a little longer. We will use words like and, but, and because to make you sound more natural. This is how you improve your pronunciation for longer thoughts. Listen to my rhythm and repeat. I am waiting at the stop because the bus is late. The bus arrives at 10, but I am 5 minutes early. I need to buy a ticket before I get on the bus. Excuse me, does this bus stop at the train station? I'm looking for the number 5 bus to the shopping mall. Can you tell me when we arrive at Green Street? I usually take the bus because it is cheaper than a taxi. The schedule says the bus comes every 15 minutes. Take a deep breath. You're doing amazing. If a sentence feels too long, just catch the last few words. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is finished. Keep your energy up. Now, let's put it all together into a story. I'm going to tell a story about a girl named Maria trying to get to work. We will do this twice. First, very slow. Then, at a normal speaking speed. Maria stands at the bus stop. She looks at her watch. She is worried. The bus is late today. She checks the schedule on her phone. The next bus arrives in 3 minutes. When the bus stops, she climbs the stairs. She asks the driver, "Does this go to the hospital?" The driver nods. Maria sits by the window and relaxes. Listener, now it's your turn to repeat the whole story. If you need to, use the text on the screen. I'll give you a few seconds. Well done. Let's listen to it again now a little faster. Maria stands at the bus stop. She looks at her watch. She is worried. The bus is late today. She checks the schedule on her phone. The next bus arrives in 3 minutes. When the bus stops, she climbs the stairs. She asks the driver, "Does this go to the hospital?" The driver nods. Maria sits by the window and relaxes. You're doing it. You just told a whole story in English. That's huge progress. Now, I have an easy question for you, listener. Do you prefer to sit by the window or the aisle on the bus? Tell me window or aisle in the comments. Let's take a break from the bus and focus on you. Repeat these affirmations with power. Believe them. I am learning English every day. My English is getting better and better. I am not afraid to speak. I can travel the world with my English. I am proud of my progress. I am a confident English speaker. Great! You did it. 10 minutes of hard work. Your mouth might feel tired, and that is a great sign. It means you are training. This kind of slow English listening combined with active speaking is the fastest way to speak English naturally. Remember, consistency is the secret sauce. If you do this every day, you will be shocked at how much you improve in just 1 month. You are becoming a global communicator. I am so proud of you for showing up today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Learn Speak English podcast so you never miss a practice session. I'm Thomas, and I will see you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep dreaming, and keep being awesome. Goodbye for now.